Ideal vitamin D level, they say between 30 and 60. I say 50 to 60.
Well, my vitamin D level was 100, and my doctor told me that was way too high.
That's too high. That's too high. At 100, you want that because that may actually hurt you. You see, okay, very good point. So this is what's sometimes a problem with us. We think that a little good is, more is even better. No, it's not. Hormones, and vitamin D is a hormone, has a U-shaped curve. So that at small levels, it's going to harm you. Mid levels is good for you. High levels will harm you. So it's a U-shaped curve. So you need to cut back on your vitamin D intake. So if you're on supplements, for the next few months, don't take any. And then 3 months later, do another vitamin D level on you. You must get that vitamin D level down. That is why if you're going to start your supplements, you need to do a vitamin D level. A vitamin D level only costs $14. Unless you go to Quest.